Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can sign out your Gmail ID from the other phones, because sometimes we need to log in our Gmail ID into the other mobile phone like our friends or family member. So in this video I will show you how you can easily sign out your Gmail ID from all other devices. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Gmail applications. So update your Gmail applications. So after updating, open your Gmail applications and you will see profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it and then select your Gmail ID which you want to sign out from the other devices. So after that, click on manage your Google account and here you will see the options of security. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see your devices where you sign in. So here you can see manage all devices. Click on it and here you can see 4 sessions on Android phone. So you can see I have login in the 4 devices. So if I want to sign out from these devices, then you will see our options. Click on it and you will see the options of sign out, find devices and don't recognize. So because I want to sign out, so I will click on sign out, then again click on sign out, then click on OK. So in this way you can sign out from all devices. So you can see I have signed out from this mobile phone. So if I want to sign out from this mobile phone, then I will click on it and here I will see the options of sign out. Click on it and then again click on sign out, then again click on OK. So you can see I have signed out. So when I will go back and I will click on manage all devices, so you can see I have signed out from these devices. So in this way you can sign out from all devices one by one. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.